What's up, guys? Welcome back to Asafa Sub 10 Cars. So a friend of mine left his car here, 2017 Honda Civic. He went down to his parents' home in Westmoreland. They got, a lot of damage in Westmoreland. So he drove the Hyundai that I had here because it's higher. This car is too low, and the roads got damaged and all that stuff. So he wanted a higher vehicle to drive. So he drove the Hyundai and he left his car here, and I can't seem to leave people things alone. I keep buying random things online, and I think I have something here that I can put on this car and make it look, a little more sporty and all that stuff. So I'm gonna do that and surprise him with it. Not going to tell him that I'm gonna do it, not going to say anything, just gonna do it and surprise him with it. I have this fake carbon fiber lip thing here, and I think if I put a lip spoiler on this car, I just bought this thing. It's a universal thing, apparently. So it should work. So I'm gonna put this on the car, see how it looks, see if I like it as well. It should look good because Hondas, all I want is just to lower and put on a side skirt and a front lip on them and they look good. That's how Hondas are. So we're gonna put this on, hopefully, it turns out well. Hopefully I install it properly. Let me say that. Right now I don't really know this thing works, so I'm just winging it. See all of these things here. Man, maybe like it want to make some holes in it and riv nut and these things. Under here have hole. Oh no. Like let me figure out something. This look like those two side tape. Just make sure so this even Steven right there. Yeah, I'm winging it, guys. It look like I got right there, so look like I right there, so it could go. And then now, this look like it go underneath this. Something like so. Something like this. Yeah, that can work. That can work. I think right there, so it can work. Alright, have some two-side tape here. Use some two-side tape on it and also put some screws through it when I'm done. And two-side tape right in the middle. I don't care. Just gonna run it in the middle. I don't know if that's where it's going to fall, but good guesstimate. Mama, the carbon fiber. Man, guys, there was an accident right at my gate earlier today. Right at my gate. In these times, people come like them and guess like me and I drive. Like I'm guessing this now, look like people I guess them driving. Alright, this look even. Even Steven. Boom. That look even now. Alright, that look even, like I can work with that. Let me see how it looks so far. Straight on. Camera wasn't even on it. Look. If it lean. No look lean at all. Let me check this side to see how it's gonna go. Yeah, not bad. Look like I hit that, guys. Look like I hit that. No need all of them. Look like I hit that. And I haven't even installed it 10 minutes yet and it won't tear off. Oh, that look, guys. I think it looks pretty clean, especially with the black wheels. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. I like it. I like it. I like it, guys. I think it looks pretty. It makes the car looks a lot more aggressive. Looks pretty stealthy. You know what I mean? And hopefully, you know, him don't mash it up. Don't mash up the lip, because I know the car got lower. So let's see. Maybe he will be in town tomorrow. Let's see what he thinks. This is the next day, guys, and I want to clean the Audi. The Audi is disgusting. It's filthy. Man, I went to Montego Bay, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, and man, the car is absolutely filthy. So I want to give it a clean before my friend comes to pick up his car. But while I went there, guys, something bad happened. Something very bad happened, guys. As you know, those roads are not the best roads. Let me show you guys what went down. Womp womp womp. Look at this, guys. Ben. This one happened last because I was trying to get to a safe spot somewhere with light and drop in one pothole that run right across the road. There was no escaping this one. Actually, the police vehicle that was in front of me, they have off-road tires, so they're not gonna break any tires. So they went through it without, they couldn't even stop as well. But my tires are low profile, so got damaged. And on the inside is bent. Let me take it out and show you guys. This one is bent as well, and the tire actually have air in it right now, but if you're driving it, you can hear it psh, 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 psh. Every time it touches one of these spots, the air loses air. So I actually pumped it and drive to a safe spot. Then it deflated. Then I pump it again just to leave it overnight, and then I went to pick it up yesterday with this. I didn't have spare tire. These cars don't come with spare tires, so didn't have spare tire, so I ended up leaving it in Mandeville, and I picked up the car yesterday with a spare tire. And funny enough, I did a video the other day about having low profile tires on your car, and I said these tires were pretty decent for the road. I dropped in a lot of potholes. I couldn't avoid a lot of potholes, but the car hold up. But that pothole that I dropped in, it was like deep to like my knees. It was actually probably 1 foot deep. The rim actually hold up pretty well based on the size of that pothole. If it was like a car, like for instance, like a car with like a 20-inch lower profile tire, the rim would be non-existent anymore. So I'm gonna try and see if I can go like a little more on the tires. I don't think it's possible. It might rub under the fender when I'm turning the wheel, but we'll try. So what I will end up doing, I'm gonna take off this tire, get the rim fixed, and just kill all the birds with one stone. Get this repaired as well because I have to repaint the rim. So just gonna get this repaired, and the front of the car where my wife scratched when I wasn't here. It's under some dirt, but you can see a scratch right there. Gonna get that repaired as well. Guys, if you have an Audi Q7 and you're trying to figure out where the battery is under here. Yeah, I think you removed this. I don't remember. I know, I take it up already, you know. There you go. Battery is under here. So if you're looking for the battery, that's where it is. Manage the road good.
Manage the road good. And gas.
And gas, a good pan gas though.
Bar can go with small.
You know so what there, man? Scratch something on the front or so. Man, you look sick now. Yeah, man, get a different look, man. Make it look wholly more aggressive. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Shot. Guys, let me know what you think. But, yeah, well, no need nobody approval. Look good. Look good. Probably say look good. I love it. It's shot. I would call that mission accomplished, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.